Prince Edward Island PEI PNP. The easiest island path to Canada. P are looking for one of the easiest ways to get Canadian permanent residency? Let me introduce you to a hidden gem, Prince Edward Island, or PEI. Today, we're diving into the Prince Edward Island Provincial Nominee Program, also known as PEI PNP, and showing you how its express entry and labor impact streams can fast-track your journey to a new life in Canada. Let's get started. Number 1. Why choose Prince Edward Island PEI? First, why PEI? Small but mighty. PEI is Canada's smallest province but has a thriving economy in agriculture, tourism, healthcare, IT, and seafood industries. Lower competition, fewer applicants compared to Ontario or British Columbia. Quality of life, quiet. Safe communities, beautiful beaches, affordable housing, and a relaxed lifestyle. Immigration-friendly. PEI actively welcomes immigrants to boost its workforce and population. If you want peaceful living and faster immigration processing, PEI might just be your perfect destination. Number 2. What is the PEI Provincial Nominee Program? PEI PNP. The PEI PNP is the province's immigration program that allows them to nominate individuals for Canadian permanent residency based on local economic needs. Official PEI PNP website: https://www.princeedwardisland.com/and/topic/PEI-provincial-nominee-program. There are 3 main streams, but today we'll focus on the 2 easiest and most accessible ones. 1. Express entry stream. 2. Labor impact stream. There's also a business impact stream for entrepreneurs, but that's a topic for another video. Closing parenthesis. Number 3. PEI PNP Express Entry Stream. Already in the Federal Express Entry Pool. You're already halfway there. The PEI Express Entry Stream allows the province to select skilled workers directly from the Express Entry system. Requirements for PEI Express Entry: must have an active profile in the Federal Express Entry system. Must be eligible under one of the federal programs: Federal Skilled Worker Program FSWP, Federal Skilled Trades Program FSTP, Canadian Experience Class SEC. Must have skills matching the labor needs of PEI. Having a job offer in PEI is highly preferred, but not mandatory. Applicants with a job offer get priority. Without a job offer, you can still be considered, but you'll need strong ties to PEI, like prior study, work experience, or relatives living there. Express Entry Portal: https://www.canada.ca/immigrate-citizenship/services/immigrate-canada/express-entry.html. How it works: PEI Express Entry process. Create an Express Entry profile with IRCC. Submit an expression of interest. EI to the PEI PNP. Receive an invitation to apply ITA from PEI PNP if selected. Submit a provincial nominee application to PEI. If nominated, you receive 600 additional CRS points. Receive a federal invitation to apply ITA and apply for PR. In short, PEI picks you from the pool, boosts your score, and guarantees you a shot at PR. Number 4. PEI PNP Labor Impact Stream. Now, what if you don't have an Express Entry profile yet, or your CRS score is too low? You can still apply directly through the Labor Impact Stream. Labor Impact Stream categories. There are 3 main categories: skilled worker in PEI, skilled worker outside Canada, critical worker stream. A skilled worker in PEI must be currently working in PEI on a valid work permit, full-time, permanent. Job offer from a PEI employer: minimum of 2 years work experience in the past 5 years. Post-secondary education, CLB for English or French. Demonstrate intent to settle in PEI. Be skilled worker outside Canada. Job offer from a PEI employer: minimum of 2 years work experience. Education, post-secondary degree or diploma. CLB for minimum in English or French. Sufficient funds to settle. Valid licensing if working in regulated occupations. Even if you're abroad, if you secure a job offer from PEI, you can qualify. See critical worker stream. Not every job needs a university degree to qualify. Jobs in trucking, food processing, housekeeping, laborers, customer service, etc. must be working in PEI for at least 6 months before applying. CLB for minimum language scores, job offer required. This stream is perfect for those with semi-skilled or entry-level experience. Number 5. Step-by-step application process. Here's how you can apply step-by-step. Step 1. Expression of interest. EI. Create a profile on the PEI Immigration online portal. Submit an expression of interest. Score points based on factors like age, work experience, education, job offer, adaptability. PNP Immigration Portal. Step 2. Invitation to apply. PEI conducts regular draws, usually monthly. If selected, you'll receive an invitation. To apply. Step 3. Submit application. Complete and submit your application with all supporting documents. Pay application fee. Cat $300 for most streams. Step 4. Receive nomination. If approved, you'll get a provincial nomination from PEI. Step 5. Apply for permanent residency. Use the nomination to apply to IRCC for permanent residency. PR processing usually takes 6 to 12 months. Number 6. PNP draws and selection trends. How often does PEI invite candidates? Draws happen every month. Labor impact and express entry streams dominate selections. Priority given to those with job offers or strong connections to PEI. Having a job offer can almost guarantee your nomination. Number 7. Benefits of PEI PNP compared to other provinces. Let's quickly compare PEI to other provinces. Lower CRS thresholds compared to Ontario and BC. Friendly immigration policies. PEI is genuinely looking for workers. Faster nominations. Compared to crowded streams in Ontario. Simplified documentation and straightforward processing. Supportive settlement services once you land. If you're dreaming of a peaceful, welcoming place to call home, PEI stands out. Number 8. Common occupations in demand in PEI. Some of the occupations currently in demand include truck drivers, registered nurses, IT professionals, software developers, systems analysts, chefs and cooks, farm workers, construction workers, hospitality staff, hotel clerks, housekeepers, food processing workers. So whether you're a tech professional or a truck driver, PEI might have a spot for you. Number 9. Important tips for success. Some final tips to improve your success rate. Secure a PEI job offer if possible. Improve your language test scores. CLB 5+ is even better. Highlight any previous connections to PEI family, study, work. Submit a clean, complete application with all documents. Respond quickly if contacted by PEI authorities. Canada has many immigration pathways, but few are as friendly and accessible as PEI's. Whether you apply through express entry or the labor impact stream, Prince Edward Island offers a fast, simple path to Canadian PR. Start your application today, and soon you could be enjoying your new life on Canada's beautiful island province. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more immigration tips. See you in Canada!